Hello, I am James Green of Uber Solar, and one of the questions which you will be confronted with when you are doing a new build is what is the technology that you should use for heating water? Currently, the SANS 10400XA2 states that you must use technology that will replace 50% or more of the electricity normally used heating water in an electric geyser using an electric resistance element. Now, that's quite difficult to understand because there's levels of ambiguity, but basically just take it that you've got to use something which is more efficient than an electric geyser. And your options really are solar thermal, heat pumps, or gas. Now, of those three technologies, the solar water heating will always come out the cheapest. If you take a base cost of 100, solar water heating will come in at around 20, whilst the electric geyser would come in at around 100. So having looked at which technologies, and solar thermal is always the winner, you then have to look at saying, what next? And our recommendations are that you look at installing the electric geysers, which are going to be used with solar, prior to do the solar water heating installation. But then you have a question of saying, how many geysers do I need and where should they be? And the reality is you need to look at the video which we have, which is sizing your solar water heating system, to work out how much water is going to be used by the family or the people in the home. And basically one can look at 85 to 125 litres per person, but the video will explain it all to you. The reason to install the electric geysers with the builder and the plumbers and everything else is that if you put the solar system in at that time, it's going to probably be sitting in stagnation. And that means that it will get very hot, potentially for a long period of time, maybe a year or more, and it is likely to suffer potentially some sort of damage because it's not actually being used for what it was designed. So our recommendation would be to buy the electric geysers, put the solar in afterwards, and for the sizing of the system, look at those videos to determine how big a system you need in every area. And with that, I'd like to say thank you very much for listening. And we look forward to answering any questions that you may have. And thank you and goodbye.